ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸில் கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் இருக்க லெசன்ஸ்க்கு ஃபுல்லாக புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதில் வந்து கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் 9th-லேருந்து 15th வரைக்கும் கவர் ஆகுது. மேட்டர் அரௌண்ட் அஸ்லேருந்து கெமிஸ்ட்ரி இன் எவ்ரிடே லைஃப் வரைக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு லெசனுக்காக புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைன்னா ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் சப்போர்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Unit-9 மேட்டர் அரௌண்ட் அஸ். Choose the best answer. First question. The liquid metal used in thermometers is option B, mercury. Second one, the pictorial symbol for water given by the alchemist was option C. அதாவது இந்த prism வந்து டவுனாக இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்குது. Third one, which one of the following element name is not derived from planet? Option D, mercury. Fourth one, symbol of mercury is option B, Hg. Fifth one, a form of non-metal which has high ductility is carbon. Option D. Sixth one, the property which allows the metals to be hammered into their sheets is malleability. Option B. Seventh one, the non-metal which conducts electric current is carbon. Option A. Eighth one, pencil lead contains graphite. Option A. Ninth one, identify the state of matter based on the arrangement of the molecules. இதில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏங்கிறது கேஸு, பிங்கிறது சாலிட், சிங்கிறது வந்து லிக்விட். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ அண்ட் சி ரெண்டுமே கரெக்டு. Fill in the blanks. First one, the element which possesses the character of both metal and non-metals are called dash, metalloids. Second one, the symbol of tungsten is dash, W. Third one, melting point of most metal is dash, then non-metal, higher than. Fourth one, water contains dash and dash element, hydrogen and oxygen. Fifth one, dash is used as semiconductor, silicon, germanium. Match the following. First, iron, sieving needle. Copper for making wires. Tungsten, making the filament of a bulb. Boron as a fuel for ignition in the rocket. 2, 1, 4, 3. Second match பார்க்கலாம். Atom, smallest unit of a substance. Element, atoms of the same kind. Compound, atoms of the different kinds. Molecule, building blocks of matter. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 10, changes around us. First, choose the best answer. First question, burning of paper is a dash change. Option B, chemical. Second one, burning of matchstick is an example for chemical reaction caused by contact in physical states. Option A. Third one, dash undergoes rusting. Option D, iron. Fourth one, the pigment responsible for browning of apples is melanin. Option B. Fifth one, brine is a concentrated solution of dash, sodium chloride. Option B. Sixth one, limestone contains dash mainly, calcium carbonate. Option B. Seventh one, which of the following factor induces electrolysis? Option C, electricity. Eighth one, in Haber's process of producing ammonia, dash is used as a catalyst. Option C, iron. The ninth one, dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides in rain water causes dash. Option A, acid rain. 10th one, dash is or responsible for global warming. Option D, carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Then fill in the blanks. First one, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of dash, sunlight. Second one, iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to dash and dash, water and oxygen. Third one, dash is the basic material to manufacture urea, ammonia. Fourth one, electrolysis of brine solution gives dash and dash gases, chlorine and hydrogen gases. Fifth one, dash is a chemical substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction, catalyst. Sixth one, dash is the enzyme responsible for browning of vegetables and fruits, tyrosinase or polyphenol oxidase. State true or false. First one, a chemical reaction is a temporary reaction. False. ஏன்னா அது வந்து permanent reaction. Second one, decomposition of lead nitrate is an example for a chemical reaction caused by light. False. ஏன்னா caused by heat. Third one, formation of slaked lime from quicklime is an endothermic reaction. அப்படிங்கிறது false. ஏன்னா இது வந்து exothermic reaction. Fourth one, CFC is a pollutant. True. Fifth one, light energy may come out due to chemical reactions. True. Then match the following. A. Rusting iron. Electrolysis brine. Thermolysis decomposition of limestone. Food photosynthesis. Catalysis Haber's process. 4 5 1 2 3. Second match. Spoilage food ozone oxygen. Tarnishing chemical reaction yeast biocatalyst. Calcium oxide decomposition. 5 4 2 3 1. Friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 11 air. Choose the best answer. First question. Which of the following is true about oxygen? Option D supports burning. Second one. Aerated water contains carbon dioxide. Option C. Third one. Solvay process is a method to manufacture sodium carbonate. Option D. Fourth one. Carbon dioxide with water changes blue litmus to red. Option A. Fifth one. Which of the following is known as azote? Nitrogen. Option B. Fill in the blanks. First one. Dash is called as vital life. Oxygen. Second one. Nitrogen is dash then air lighter. Third one. Dash is used as a fertilizer. Nitrogen. Fourth one. Dry ice is used as a dash refrigerant. Fifth one. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxides is called dash rusting. To match the following. First, nitrogen fertilizer, oxygen respiration in living animals, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, dry ice refrigerator. 2 1 4 3. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 12 atomic structure. Choose the best answer. First question. The same proportion of carbon and oxygen in the carbon dioxide obtained from different sources proves the law of definite proportion. Option B. Second one. Cathode rays are made up of negatively charged particles. Option C. Third one. In water, hydrogen and oxygen are combined in the ratio of dash by mass. Option A 1:8. Then fourth one. Which of the following statements made by Dalton has not undergone any change? Option D. All atoms of an element are alike. Fifth one. In all atoms of an element. Option A. The atoms and the mass numbers are the same. This is correct. Then fill in the blanks. Dash is the smallest particle of an element, atom. Second one. An element is composed of dash atoms, same kind of atoms. Third one. An atom is made up of dash dash and dash, proton, electron and neutron. Fourth one. A negatively charged ion is called dash, while the positively charged ion is called dash. Negatively charged anion, positively charged cation. Fifth one. Dash is a negatively charged particle, electron. Sixth one. Proton is deflected towards the dash charged plate negatively. Then match the following. Law of conservation of mass, Lavoisier. Law of constant proportion, James Chadwick. Joseph Proust. Cathode ray, Sir William Crookes. Anode rays, Goldstein. Neutron, James Chadwick. 3 5 2 1 4. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 13 water. Choose the correct answer. First question. Water changes to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Option A. Second one. Solubility of carbon dioxide in water is high when the pressure is high. Option B. Third one. The gas collected at the cathode on electrolysis of water is hydrogen. Option B. Fourth one. Which of the following is a water pollutant? Option A. Lead. Fifth one. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of sulfates and chlorides. Option A. Then fill in the blanks. First one. Water is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Second one. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Third one. Temporary hardness of water can be removed by boiling of water. Fourth one. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Fifth one. Loading speeds up the process of sedimentation. Then state true or false. First one. Sewage should be treated well before being discharged it into the water bodies. True. Second one. Seawater is suitable for irrigation as it contains dissolved salts. It's false. It's not suitable for irrigation. Third one. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers depletes the soil and causes water pollution. True. Fourth one. The density of water will not change at all temperatures. False. Will change. Fifth one. Soap lathers well in hot water. இது ஃபால்ஸு. சாஃப்ட் வாட்டரில் தான் வந்து நல்லா நுர வரும். தென் மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங். யுனிவர்சல் சால்வெண்ட் வாட்டர், ஹார்ட் வாட்டர் ஸ்டொமக் ailments, பாய்லிங் kill germs, sterilization, ozonization, sewage water pollutant. 5 3 4 1 2. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் யூனிட் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 14 acids and bases. Choose the best answer. First question, acids are dash in taste. Option A, sour. Second one, aqueous solution of dash conduct electricity. Acid and base. ரெண்டுமே தான் A and B. Third one, in acidic solution, blue litmus changes into red color. Fourth one, base is a substance that gives OH minus on dissolving in water. Option A. Fifth one, sodium hydroxide is a base. Option B. Sixth one, red ant sting contains formic acid. Option D. Seventh one, magnesium hydroxides are used for treating acidity. Option A. Eighth one, acid mixed with the base forms salt and water. Option A. Ninth one, we brush our teeth with toothpaste because it is basic in nature. Option A. 10th one, in basic solution, turmeric indicator paper changes from yellow to red. Option D. Then fill in the blanks. First one, benzoic acids are used for preservation of food. Second one, the word sour refers to acidus in Latin. Third one, bases are bitter in taste. Fourth one, chemical formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Fifth one, wasp sting contains alkaline substance. Sixth one, turmeric is used as an indicator. Seventh one, in acidic solution, the color of the hibiscus indicator paper will change to deep pink or deep red. State true or false. First one, most of the acids are not soluble in water. This is false. Second one, acids are bitter in taste. This is false. And a sour taste. Third one, bases are soapy to dry to touch when they are dry. That is false. Dry இருக்கும்போது soapy-யா இருக்காது. Then fourth one, acids are corrosive in nature. True. Fifth one, all bases are alkalis. அப்படிங்கிறது false. All alkalis are bases வேணா சொல்லலாம். Then sixth one, hibiscus flower is an example for natural indicator. True. Next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 15, chemistry in everyday life. Choose the best answer. First question, the chemical mixed with LPG that helps in the detection of its leakage is mercaptan. Option D. Second one, which is known as syngas. Option B, water gas. Third one, the unit of calorific value of fuel is kilojoule per kilogram. Option C. Kelvin joule per kilogram. Option C. Fourth one, anthracite is the coal of superior quality. Option D. Fifth one, the main component of natural gas is methane. Option A. Fill in the blanks. First one, producer gas is a mixture of dash and dash, carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Second one, dash is known as marsh gas, methane. Third one, the term petroleum means rock oil. Fourth one, heating coal in the absence of air is called dash, destructive distillation. Fifth one, an example for fossil fuel is coal. Match the following. Octane rating, petrol. Cetane rating, diesel. Simplest hydrocarbon, methane. Peat, first stage coal. Lignite, brown in color. 2 3 1 5 4. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இதோட நமக்கு 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸில் கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் இருக்க லெசன்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். உங்களை வேற ஒரு வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். உங்களுக்கு இது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.